Here's our installed VMware. Now let's install it in your PC too. Hello again, welcome back to Caploi channel. First of all, open your favorite browser, search VMware, download, click on the first link. Then after click on download now. On top right corner you will see login drop down option, click it and then click register. Enter your email address here. Also fill up the CAPTCHA, click next. A 6-digit OTP has been sent to your email. Copy the OTP and paste it here. Now fill up all the details here. Then after check the box I accept, then click create account. Click I will do it later. Now go to previous login tab. In username put your email address and click next. Fill up the password you created and click on sign in. Click on close. Now open the link provided in the description. Click the first option if you are using Windows, then select 25H2 release here. Click on terms and conditions, then go to previous tab and check the box. Then after click on download icon and then select yes. Here fill up the remaining fields marked with red stars and then click submit. Again press on the download icon. Here download pop-up showed. Select the download location and click save. Now you can see your VMware installer is downloading. After download finished, open the file location and double click on it to start the installation. Click yes. Welcome message as showed here. Click next. Check the I accept box and click next. Click next. Again click next. Again you can uncheck both options as you need and then click next. Click next. Then finally click on install. If you like our video till now, please like and subscribe us. Now click finish to close installer. Here in your desktop you can see VMware Workstation Pro has been installed.